My name is Rachael and I'm with Big Blue Swim School here in Naperville. What we do here is we teach swim lessons for kids ages 3 months to 12 years old. Before I met Scott, my state rep, we were just opening our swim school, so it was brand new. So ordering from Amazon, sometimes having to run to like a Walmart, Costco, all that. That just takes a lot away from my employees and what I want them to do and have them do. So I actually met Scott at a chamber event and he introduced himself and the product and service that he could provide us. I was sold right there. He next day basically put up the dilution system. He trained our staff on it, how to use it. It's very simple, but it was very helpful for him to kind of explain what product to use and where on the different surfaces that we have. And kind of came in and talked about all the different products, walked around the facility of where he could help and support us. I kind of shared a little bit of what we had been using. We have a lot of areas that kids are playing around, touching. So he came in and basically just almost didn't even have to think. It was, here's what we can do, here's what we need. And it was there the next day. One of my favorite things about State Chemicals is Scott will come in and look at the inventory that we have, and he kind of knows the needs and what we go through. So he'll come in and kind of see where we're at and do the ordering for us. He'll confirm it, through me, but it's just easy. I don't have to think about it. I don't have to worry about running out of product, having my managers run out. It's there when we need it, and never overstocked or understocked. It's exactly what we need. So the products that we ordered before State Chemical, some of it was working, some of it was not. We were having issues on our pool deck floor of it being sticky and greasy. So Scott was able to provide us with a new solution that works great in our Zamboni and doesn't leave the streaks or the added extra solution. Because of their system as well, it automatically dilutes it for you. The one thing I love too is State works with you. We have a lot of glass here, and originally the main glass cleaner, it worked okay, but in certain areas it just wasn't doing the job. So Scott was able to provide me with an alternate solution, which was called Insight, which is phenomenal, and we've stuck with that ever since. So if there is something that maybe isn't working for you, they definitely have a solution for you to use. So after a few months of the service from State, from Scott, we actually have another location in Glendale Heights, and we had Scott come out, take a look at it, and had him immediately start servicing that location. He, again, retrained all the staff that I have at that location and was able just to do a phenomenal job and stays on top of both locations. We don't have to think. We always have everything we need. Also, one thing we've noticed, we do get a lot of praise from our customers of how clean our facility is. So it's great to see that not only do our employees enjoy using the product, it's easy to use all of that, but the customers notice a difference as well. So originally when I looked at the price, obviously we all have Amazon, you kind of compare. So I was a little worried, but I knew I wanted to give them a chance just based off of everything they provided outside of just the chemical price. And it definitely is worth it, because over time I have seen us go through less product because of the dilution systems that they have, and also just how well their product works. All in all, it might seem like it is pricier, but you do have a cost savings in the end. Ever since having State Chemical come in, life has been so much easier. As an operator, I'm in and out of an office, not always here, but for my management team, they absolutely love it because they don't have to think twice. They know their product's here. They know they have what they need to keep this facility clean. It's been fantastic. Not only are the chemicals high quality, the service is high quality. And all in all, you will not go wrong with going with State Chemical.